Hello, in front of me I've got MEIZU M8. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. Firstly, download Google Pay from Play Store and enter it. Tap Get Started. Allow. And as you can see, this is the homepage of Google Pay. From here you can fast add a card, see your recent activity, stay in loop, or see apps that are connected to Google Pay. Then if you tap here, you've got access to your activity, participating banks. You'll be redirected to website where you'll see full list of all banks participating in Google Pay. Then you can enter a promo code, go to settings, in general settings you can turn on or off email updates, Gmail imports, change location settings, edit account info and edit privacy controls. In notifications you can manage purchases notifications, offers and tips notifications and updates about your passes. Then you've got contactless setup, which is unavailable on this phone because it does not have NFC. And last we've got help and support, send feedback and about. Also we've got payment. From here you can add payment method, for example credit or debit card. And we've got passes. In here you can add passes like loyalty program or gift card. If you tap here, you got access to your Google account. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.